Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make these gingerbread shape earrings. Now I'll show you how to make this cute gingerbread shape earring. To make gingerbread shape earring, I'll be using hot glue gun, clear glue sticks, gold beads, white beads, red fabric piece, gold faux leather, textured brown fabric, and this piece is 5 by 6.5 centimeters, a pencil, beading owl, scissors, pliers, needle and thread, earring hooks, jump rings, red beads. Now I'll create a pattern for my earring. I'm folding this faux leather in half and I'm drawing gingerbread shape on this faux leather like that. My pattern is finished now. Now I'll cut out this pattern out of this faux leather. And this is how it looks. The head looks a little bit square, so I'm cutting edges off there. And my earring pattern is prepared. Next, I'm tracing this pattern out of this brown textured fabric. Next, I'm cutting this pattern out of this textured brown fabric. And my both pattern pieces are cut out. Next, I'm using white thread and a needle, and I'll sew white beads there, creating a face. First, I'm sewing eyes on this gingerbread there, so it looks like that. Next, I'm sewing a smile on this gingerbread, securing that smile with double stitch so it's nice and secure, and it looks like that. Next, I'll decorate both arms with white beads and gold beads. And this is how it looks. I'll repeat same on other arm, and here it is. Both arms are decorated. Next, I'll sew on these sequins on the end of the arm there, and we'll repeat same on other arm. So I'm sewing on this sequin, and in the middle I'm sewing white bead to secure that sequin on. Next, I'll repeat same on both legs. I will repeat same on other leg, and here it is. So arms and legs are decorated. Next, I'm cutting out little bow out of this red fabric. And I will glue this tiny red bow in the middle there. I'm applying hot glue in the middle there, 2 dots, and I'm gluing this red bow on top there. Next, I'm using red thread and a needle, and I will sew these red beads in the middle there. So my gingerbread is decorated now. Next, I will glue this gingerbread on this faux leather. I'm applying hot glue on this faux leather wrong side, and I'm gluing this brown textured fabric on top like that. Both pattern pieces are glued together now, so this is the wrong side where the faux leather is, and where the beading is right side. Next, I'm using beading owl, and I'm poking a hole in the center of the head there, and I'm using pliers, and I'm opening up this jump ring, and I'm entering this jump ring in that hole there, closing that jump ring closed. Next, I'm opening up this earring hook like that, and the right side of the earring hook goes on this jump ring, and I'm closing earring hook closed like that. And my gingerbread earring is finished. Now I'll try on my new gingerbread earrings. If you have any questions how I made these gingerbread earrings, please comment down below in a comment box. I will add all materials which I used to make these gingerbread earrings in a description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.